Synonyms. So after antonyms, we see the synonyms. First of all, what is the meaning of synonyms? Synonyms means similar words. તમે ગુજરાતીમાં ભણ્યા હશો ત્યારે સમાનાર્થી શબ્દો આવતા હશે. ઓકે, તો દેટ ઇઝ સિનોનિમ્સ. દેટ એક જ વર્ડ હોય એના ઘણા બધા તમને અલગ અલગ સિનોનિમ્સ, સિમિલર વર્ડ્સ મળી રહે, એને કહેવાય સિનોનિમ્સ. ઇટ કેન બી ઇન્ટરચેન્જેબલી યુઝડ. બરાબર, ઇટ કેન બી ઇન્ટરચેન્જેબલી, કે તમે એકની જગ્યાએ બીજું યુઝ કરી શકો છો, બટ ધ મિનિંગ રિમેન્સ ધ સેમ. પણ મિનિંગ સેમ રહે છે. ઓકે, હું એમ કહું કે ફોકસ કરો, પ્લીઝ ટ્રાય ટુ ફોકસ. અધરવાઇઝ આઈ કેન સે પ્લીઝ કોન્સન્ટ્રેટ. ઓકે, સો meaning remains the change if I change the word. But sometimes also happens that તમે એક વર્ડ છે એનો સિનોનિમ્સ મૂકો પણ એ વર્ડ છે ત્યાં સૂટ ન થાય. ઓકે, it doesn't suit there. So for that we have to understand the situation, we have to understand the relation between people or things or place. Then we can put a particular word which is suitable to the sentence, to that speech, to that paragraph. For that we have to practice. It makes the speech language interesting. Here interesting, the word the spelling is wrong. It is a typing error, so it is INTERESTING, interesting. Okay, example, the long baseball game lasted over 4 hours. Okay, so it is one way of saying, બરાબર, કે કોઈ બોલે છે ત્યારે આવી રીતના કહે છે, બટ વોટ ઇઝ ધ અનધર વે ઓફ સેઇંગ that particular sentence? The lengthy baseball game lasted over 4 hours. So in first we used long, okay, and then we used lengthy, okay, but the meaning remains the same. So we see some examples. The first is amazing. So instead of amazing you can say incredible, you can say unbelievable, fabulous, wonderful. Okay, something that you have seen which is not usual. Okay, એવું કંઈક વસ્તુ જોઈ જાઓ કે which is not usual, so you can use this word amazing. Instead of that you can use wonderful, fabulous. Okay, so these are the ways of praising something. Another is anger, so it means enrage and natter. Answer, so instead of answer you can say reply, response. Okay, you can say please reply me, you can say please answer me. Okay, and this is you can say this is the response which I got. Another, that is break. Okay, break means something which is which we try to break. Okay, so for that the word is crash, smash, demolish. Okay, then another is calm. Calm means which is very peaceful, smooth, mild. Here what happens that we are having a word but we don't know what is the meaning of that word, then we try to understand it by its synonyms. If I say destroy, okay, so you don't understand what is destroy, but I say ruin, then you understand that ruin means destroy. Okay, demolish. Another, that is cry. Okay, so meaning that is weep. In some poems or in some lessons the weep is used. Okay, તમે ઘણા lessons કે poems વાંચ્યા હશે એમાં weep શબ્દ યુઝ થયો હશે, તો that means cry. Decide means determine. So these are the examples. synonyms of nouns. Okay, there are nouns and synonyms of that noun. Act means you can say deed. Admission, for that you can use entry. Affection, love. Beginning, okay, beginning, for that you can use start. Character, for that you can use nature. Then defect, for that you can use fault. Okay, if you have ordered online and the cloth comes, બરાબર, એક કાપડ આવે છે which is defective, okay, તો ત્યારે that the word which is suitable there, it is defective. Okay, if someone did a wrong thing, then we can say that it is his fault, it is her fault. We cannot say defect there. Okay, so we have to understand the tonation of the word and we have to put suitable word in the speech, in the sentence or in the paragraph. It means in language. Then another is attention. Okay, so for that we can use purpose. Value, so for that we can use worth. Synonyms of adjectives: accurate, exact, fair. Okay, it is fair, that means just. Furious, for that angry. Loyal, for that faithful. Necessary means essential, it is necessary, essential part. Similar, it means alike. Normal, usual. Hard, difficult. Okay, so maybe you are thinking that why we are learning these synonyms, we are learning these examples. So it is for the sake of variation in language. It is for you that you understand that we can use this word in this type of speech, in this type of thing. Okay, if you are writing a letter to anybody, or we can say to your friend, then language would be different. If you are writing a letter to your boss, to your company, then the words will be different. So for that sake, we have to understand synonyms. Example, hard means you know that difficult. Synonyms of verbs: abandon, leave. If I say that leave it, then you can understand. But if I say you that please abandon it, then maybe you cannot understand. So for that you have to read this type of words in some books. હવે આ બધા વર્ડ્સ લર્ન કરવા હોય તો ડાયરેક્ટ વર્ડ વાંચી ન શકાય. વી કેન નોટ cram many spellings or many words. But what we can do to get in these words, we can read books, we can read short stories, we can read poems, we can read technical books which is in English. Okay, so from there you can get a knowledge of words, synonyms. Next is allow, means let. If I say let me take a lecture, okay, please allow me to take a lecture. Another that is acquire, means get. Control, manage. Decrease means reduce. Start, begin. Vanish, disappear. Vanish, I think you have heard this word in advertisement, that vanish. Okay, so that means disappear. Search, seek. Seek means hide and seek. You might have played hide and seek, you might have eaten hide and seek biscuits. So what is the meaning of seek? Search. Synonyms of adverbs: almost, nearly, annually, yearly. Certainly, surely. Cleverly, skillfully. Completely, totally. Happily, joyfully, immediately, instantly. Okay, if you are writing a paragraph, then if you are using immediately, then it is a normal word, but you are using instantly, then it is something then normal. Wherever that you are using various words, various synonyms of particular word. So you, the reader or the other person can know that you are different in language, you have a knowledge about the language, words, etc. So thank you. So I am not giving you many words in this presentation, but I will surely upload a PDF in our Google Classroom. So go through it and read it.